Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm Melissa Curran. I'm the owner of Scented Balance Healing Arts, located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Uh, I am a naturopathic practitioner as well as a certified aromatherapist and Reiki master practitioner. And what I do is create products and offer services that help you manage your chronic pain and stress. Uh, Everything I do is non-invasive. I'm not a fan of needles, and everything is gentle and very effective. So I am recording a series of videos on the pain products that I make. And this one is called PainGenix. And this was actually the very first pain blend that I created back in 2016 when I was doing case studies to earn my aromatherapy certification. This particular blend is a balm, and it was for a client and is for a client, she still uses it, who had nerve damage in her hands. And the nerve damage was so bad that she couldn't work. She struggled to drive because she had to grip a steering wheel. And she had a wonderful hobby of baking and decorating awesome cakes for her family and friends. And she had to stop doing it because she couldn't grasp that icing bag, and it put too much pressure on her hands and it was too painful. So we got to talking, and I said, you know what? Let's talk about this and see how I can help through aromatherapy. And she said, well, can't hurt, right? I said, you're absolutely right. She said on any given day, her pain level on a scale of 1 to 10 was about a 10. And that just kind of breaks my heart. Even if you have a chronic condition that is on a 2 level, that can eat at you after a while. And I realize that, and I wish personally that I had a magic fairy wand that I could just wave and make all the pain go away, and I can't do that. If I ever find it, I'll let you know. In the meantime, what I do is create these synergy blends. And this one, for instance, PainGenix, it has beeswax and shea butter. That's the base, and that makes it into a balm. And the oils in it, many are analgesics. All of them deal with help you manage the inflammation, because inflammation causes pain. I don't stop there, though. And I'll give you a few of the oils here in just a moment. I don't stop there. With the pain blends, when you have chronic pain, eventually, sometimes, maybe not all the time, you're going to be dealing with depression, frustration, anxiety, just being tired of dealing with the pain. And so I make complex blends that not only deal with the pain, but also help you with the possible uh, depression and anxiety and anger. It's there. We all know that. And my heart goes out to you again if you're dealing with that. So there's the oils. Whoops, let me not hold it upside down. In the PainGenix, this one includes lemongrass. It includes frankincense. It includes helichrysum and spikenard and sweet marjoram and sweet basil and black pepper. All of these oils have their job to do. For instance, the sweet marjoram, it helps. It's a good antispasmodic. So, sometimes you feel like your hands are throbbing with pain. Well, that's where the marjoram comes in and kind of calms those spasms down. The helichrysum is really good as a mild central nervous system sedative. Whew, say that 3 times fast. And it's not that it's going to make you fall over in a dead sleep the minute you put it on your hands. That's not what it does. You can be with your central nervous system in a fight or flight, which means maybe you just had to um, step on the brakes to avoid hitting a child. Well, your body's going to go into fight or flight, and it's going to help you get through this situation without having to think about it. Within a few minutes, you'll calm down to what is called rest and digest, which means your breathing is normal, your blood pressure is normal, you're back to being you. And so when your central nervous system is a bit calmer, your body is more able to process the tools that you use to manage your pain and stress. And I have learned over the last 5 or 6 years that a Reiki session and some really good aromatherapy blends are ideal to help you manage that pain and stress. Um, I love being able to help people when you don't have to take yet another toxic pill, or maybe you have to take shots and maybe you can go a little longer in between shots. I don't know about that, but I can't heal it. Like I said, if I could wave my magic fairy wand, I would do it in a heartbeat. But what I can do is offer a tool and some services, like the Reiki or the detox foot spa that I offer. All of those, along with the aromatherapy, can help you manage your pain. And when you are dealing with a little less pain for more hours in the day, then that gives you more of your life back. So for me, what I do is try to offer you a way to have less pain and more life. So there's other blends. And for instance, if you have the nerve pain damage, and you don't like the balm, you would prefer to have this in a lotion, I'm happy to do that. So don't think this is the only way that you can get it. No, I'm happy to make this custom for you. This one is a 2-ounce jar, and it is $24.99. And like I said, I am happy to make that in any kind of base that is better for you. If you like using it, then you'll use it more, and that's going to help you more. I would love to talk to you more about this. I can talk on Skype or Zoom. You can call me. My phone number is 336-837-9827. You can send an email to me, scentedbalance@gmail.com. You can also go onto my website, which is scentedbalance.com, and actually book an appointment. And also, I have an online shop, and there is a whole segment just for pain products. So you can read through what they do, some of the ingredients, things like that, to see what works best for you. If you're not sure, reach out. I would love to help you figure out which one is the best for you. Thank you for taking the time to stop by and learn about PainGenix. I'm going to have more for you the next time. And thank you. Be well and feel your best naturally.